क्या आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा हुआ है दैट यू वांट अ रेज इन योर सैलरी बट पता नहीं है दैट हाउ टू आस्क फॉर इट? That very awkward moment when you want it also and you don't want to sound greedy as well? We all have been. Today's video is inspired by a conversation between Alison Wood-Brooks, a Harvard professor, and Mel Robbins.
Go in and they're asking for more money or a promotion.
They go in sort of righteous and resolute, thinking this is what an influential person looks like. This is what they sound like. They're decisive.
Let's break it down Desi style. Most people think that asking for a raise means walking to an HR or management with a list of achievements that they have done. But that's the biggest mistake that you do. The key to this is empathy over ego. अगर आप empathy सीख गए और अपनी ego को साइड रखा कि ये तो मेरा हक है, ये तो मुझे मिलना चाहिए, that's wrong. Empathy को ले आओ in between and then see how magic happens. Also, there's a strong saying and my belief, first deserve, then desire. You are not begging, you are building something together with your employer. Once he or she understands that, then see how they value you. In this video, I am now going to tell you 3 ways that how you can communicate your being worth it. This is how you pitch for your raise without sounding pushy. So number 1 is that you first understand that whatever you have done, don't say that I have worked really hard to do this. Instead, link it with numbers. For example, sir, in Q1, I think I could contribute 18% to our annual sales target. Number 2, always link your achievements with company's goal. For example, if you have done something, tell them, sir, that this was in our 2025 vision board, out of which these 3 activities we have achieved as of now. So what happens is directly the senior management or the business owner connects that you are working to fulfill his vision. तो उसके विजन बोर्ड पे जो चीज़ें लिखी थी, अगर आपने उनमें से 2 या 3 चीज़ें अचीव कर दी, तो बस ये मत बोलना कि मैंने मेहनत की, हार्ड वर्क किया, देर तक काम किया, सुबह आता हूँ जल्दी, जाता हूँ जल्दी, नहीं. आप वो बताओ, सर आपके विजन बोर्ड पे जो लिखा था ना, उसमें से हमने मिलके सबने ये 3 चीज़ें अचीव कर दी. See how it connects. It will just change the game. Number 3, always ask and don't demand. Now बहुत thin line है between asking and demanding. Demanding is something that I want a certain percentage of hike and it's due, can I have it? And asking is just rephrase everything. Sir, I've been working on so and so things and I've achieved so much. I was just thinking if there is an opportunity of growth over here or we can explore some possibilities, it will be really nice. तो आपने ना अपना सिर्फ सवाल बदला. As I always say, change your question and change your life. तो आपने सिर्फ सवाल बदला, वही बात 2 तरीके से बोली जा सकती है, which changes how you ask for things. एक सिंपल हैक बताता हूँ इसका, how to build good relationship. Whenever you're doing something for your colleague, for your senior leader, for your management, after doing it, just ask for a feedback that, sir or ma'am, what do you think? How did I do? You know, with this, what happens? The boss gets a feeling that you are not somebody who wants to just do and go away. You are somebody who wants to learn that how did I do, what can I do to make it better, and how do I do the best possible way. This is what creating connections. You are getting noticed. और अगर आप notice हो रहे हो तो आपको पता है क्या होगा आपके साथ. Let me know what are the toughest conversations that you've had at work. I promise you I will read all of them and reply to all of them. If you like this content and has helped you in any way, my humble request, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with people who will appreciate it. Until then, it's your friend Sumit Khubchandani.